domain, codomain and range of a function. Let a function f such that a to b as follows: 2, 3, 4, 5, and a, b, c, and d. So domain, the set A is called the domain of the function f. That is the elements containing set member of set A, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, or domain is x component of function f, x component. These all are the x components. Similarly, codomain, the set B is called the codomain of the function f. All the member containing B, all the member contained in B is a all the member all the all the member contained in B is its codomain, that is A, B, C, and D. So all. And last, range, the set of all the elements of set B, the set of all the elements of set B that are mapped with the elements of set A is domain. In domain is known as a range. It means only that members or elements which are mapped from domain, that is A, B, C. D is not mapped anyone. So range A, B, C. So again, confirm that codomain means all the elements of set of member B, member set B, and range means that elements which are mapped, that is A, B, C is only mapped. So A, B, C is range, and codomain means all the elements of set B, that is A, B, C, D. So we conclude that range is the subset of what? Codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. Now again, image and pre-image of a function. What is the image and pre-image of a function? Image means the set of all the elements in the second set B that are mapped with the elements of first set A is known as a image of B. Again, if here is A and here is B, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is mapped with 4, 2 is mapped, and 3 is also mapped with 5. Then what we conclude that what is the image? Only those elements are image which are mapped in set B, that is image is 4 and 5 only, or we can say that range is image. Okay, range is image, that is 4 and 5. Pre-image, what is pre-image? The set of elements of the first set that have image in the second set B is known as a pre-image of the set B. That is, if here A and B, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is a function. That is pre-image. Pre-image is 1, 2, 3, or we can say that pre-image is x component. or X component is called pre-image. Similarly, image is Y component, or Y component is called image. Y component is called image. Again, representation of a function. What is the representation of a function? Let A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So R, choose such a relation that x, y, such that y is x plus 1. So ways of representation. First of all, set of ordered pairs. So set of ordered pairs